Alright, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now today I showed you that we're going to be actually going over the process of importing a file from a different file that we created originally. So first we're going to reread over it inside of our note-taking module here, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like in the contract. So we're going to say from encrypt key, we're going to import key path store. Remember this part we went over yesterday, so I'm going to show you how we actually do this in the contract. So let's hop over to our contract, and you can see here which one pops up first so I can show you. I think it's going to be the impact, the encrypt key. So you see this is our deploy files here, or deploy favorites.py. You can see here we have our from encrypt key, import key store path. And you can see here we have our encrypt key.py file. I already have it open. So you can see over here when we come to this file, we have our key store equals path.keystore.json. So this is the actual key store that actually holds the .keystore.json file that holds our decrypted or encrypted information for our private key. So that's how we actually import this into the deploy favorites. We would just go to our deploy favorites as you saw, and we would say from encrypt key, which is the file here. We're gonna say from here we want to import this key store path file that contains our encrypted information for our private key. And basically that's how we actually do that. Pretty simple, straightforward. So that's how we do that. So yeah, we're just gonna stay there for now, and then we're gonna move forward as we keep going. So yeah, stay tuned as we move forward, and I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.